The whole world has the same global issue when it comes to driving, and that is parallel parking, as you have seen. When it comes to driving, there are times when we have to park but there isn't parking. There are also many times when you see a spot for parking but you avoid it because it requires you to parallel park. For parallel parking, many either just avoid the situation or don't learn it at all. In this video, I will show an example of the wrong ways of doing it and then the correct way of parallel parking. And hopefully after this video, you will have the courage to go out and try it yourself. When it comes to parking, some of us will notice that you have to parallel park, but others will try to fit in directly. Once we have noticed that we have to parallel park, many of us would just avoid the situation and find another parking spot. Or if not, we would struggle for a few minutes and also have your friend direct you on how much space you have. Wouldn't it be nice just to know how to do it, to avoid these struggles? Now let's see the correct way of doing this. Now to the actual parking itself. The first thing when it comes to parallel parking is, first, notice if there's enough space for your car to fit. Now that we have that out of the way, here we go. First, line your car parallel to the other car in front of you. Make sure your back seat lines up with the back seat of the other car. Secondly, now shift the car to reverse and start turning your steering wheel all the way to the right. Now look at your left side view mirror and notice you see the full car of the car behind you. You start going straight until your right side view mirror is about near the corner of the rear bumper of the car in front of you, and then you start turning your steering wheel all the way to the left. Now that you have done this, you may want to center your car and pull up a little bit forward or backward to center your car to the parking space. Now that we have seen the fundamentals of parallel parking, don't you seem more confident of actually trying this technique out? Once you have the basics down, maybe even later, you can become as skillful as this guy. Now that we have learned the correct way of parallel parking, hopefully this video has built the courage for you to go out and try it. Thank you.